Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everyone. My name is May Lamrin Azhara. Today I want to talk about something very important in medical studies. How we report research clearly and honestly. In medicine, it's very important to trust the result of studies, especially when they help doctors decide how to treat patients. This is why the consort statement is so helpful. For my English oral exam, I will explain the main part of the consort checklist 2010. I will use a real study, a randomized controlled trial as an example. Let's begin by understanding what consort is for. Consort means Consolidated Standard of Reporting Trials. It's a widely accepted guide that helps authors write reports of randomized controlled trial for publication. The Consort 2010 checklist has 25 items. Randomized controlled trial. This is a 1A identification as a randomized trial in the title. Between September 2022 and March 2023, we completed a randomized controlled trial in Nanjing First Hospital and PLA 454 Hospital. This is a 1B structured summary of trial designs, methods, results, and conclusions. For specific guidance, see consort for abstract. The time to SDSG surgery was regarded as the primary outcome. This is a 6A. It's completely defined pre-specified primary and secondary outcome measures, including how and when they were assessed. From Department of Burn and Plastic Surgery, Nanjing First Hospital, Nanjing Medical University, Nanjing, China. This is O4B, setting and location where the data were collected. Skin graft file if they are applied to wound bed with insufficient blood supply. This is a 2A, scientific background and explanation of rationale. The study objective is to compare the efficacy of NPVT and alginate dressings. This is a 2B, specific objective or hypothesis. Between September 2022 and March 2023, this is a 14A, that's defining the period of recruitment and follow-up. Patients were assigned into the NPVT group. This is a 3A, description of trial designs such as parallel factorial including allocation ratio. And then a random number generator. This is a 8A, method used to generate the random allocation sequence. The inclusion criteria were patients who have type 1 or 2 diabetes with a chronic wound plaquage on the foot below the medial malleolus, age 20 until 18 years. This is a 4A, eligibility criteria for participants. NPVT group wound bed preparation was facilitated by a VAC device. For patients in the control group, wound bed preparation was facilitated by the alginate dressing change method. This is a 5. The intervention for each group with sufficient details to allow replication, including how and then when they were actually administered. The sample size was calculated depending on the mean time to SDSG surgery. This is a 7A. How sample size was determined. We applied chi-square test and student t-test to analyze the patient on wound demographic between. This is a 12A, statistical methods used to compare groups for primary and secondary outcomes. Table 2, the laboratory variable before and after treatment. This is a characteristic, and then this is a 15, a table showing baseline demographic and clinical characteristic for each group. And then Firstly, our trial was not a multi-center RCT. Multi-center RCTs with long-term follow-up are warranted to confirm our finding. This is a 20 trial limitation addressing source of potential bias, impression, and if relevant multiplicity of analysis. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.